Hi everyone, and today I got the Unihertz jelly star for you. So this is Unihertz jelly star, and this is the very small and tiny smartphone. It's 3-inch screen, and we can wake up it to check it, and it's just similar to a car keys size, very small. And when we compare it to the Unihertz normal phones, this is Unihertz TikTok, we can find that normally 3 times larger for the normal phones. And for this time, the Unihertz Jelly Star, though it's very small, but the certification is not so low for the screen. It's a 3-inch screen, and the display resolution is A54 and by 480 LCD screen. It supports 60 Hz refresh rate. And when we go to the back, we can find it's used the transparent red color back panel, and it's also red camera zone, red back panel case, and also the red buttons. So it is very nice and very simple design. I really like it, and they keep the 3.5 mm, and the width is only 116 grams. Thickness is 18.7 mm, and in this small size smartphones they put 2000 batteries. In this all support 10-watt fast charging. For the cameras, 48 megapixel real camera and 8 megapixel front camera here. And they also support NFC Android 13 system, and also you support RAM and ROM is 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. We go to settings to check the specification about this device. Here, more information. Jelly Star Android 13. And also the chips is Hello G99, and they support LPDDR4X and UFS 2.2. So for this small size smartphone, though the small size is small and the body is small, but the specification is not so bad. It's really nice, and I think this phone can be one of the best standby or backup smartphones. And they provide 2 colors, the blue and the red, for you to choose. So I really like this blue color. And here, it is small, they also put a fingerprint, so you can use fingerprint to unlock it. And also the biggest specification and features about this device is have a LED here. You can get different kind of mode for you to use this. Okay, we will tell the light is on. This is U, is stand for Unihertz, and this is also LED light. The logo is here. We can go to the. Okay, we can go to the more details. LED light here. Turn on, turn off. Okay, we can go back, go to settings, because this also have a very funny function here. Shortcut settings, so you can use the push to talk key, and after using this function, smart key will be push to talk. You download the app, you need to download the app and choose the app, so you can here. This is the power button. You can, yes, active the, double click here to active the camera. Here, more But LED, phone calls, income, music, charging, here, lightning. Okay, so this is very funny and very small smartphone from Unihertz. So this is very quick hands-on video about this unique products. And they support NFC as well, I forgot to mention. And besides the smartphone, they also provide string, and also the cable is also different. I can show you. So here is the string to provide, so you can hook it. Yes, here is the cable. It's not a normal straight Type-C, but it's 90 degrees straight degrees. I think because this time the charging Type-C doors is here, it's not at the bottom of the smartphone, so this is very special design. And so if you use like this, it's more convenient for you to use it. Also for this, it can provide another way to catch it. No need to, okay, here you can use it like this and you can hook it, so it's very funny as well. And so yeah, what do you think of such small products, small gadget from Unihertz? Very funny and very exciting and very unique in the market. Unihertz jelly stuff. And I really like this red color, and the jelly is their classical series of Unihertz for the small phones. So thanks for watching. This is my very quick and short video about this smartphone from Unihertz. Thanks. Bye.